Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, how to redeem a Minecraft gift card code and turn it into Minecoins. Minecoins are used in the Minecraft marketplace and work across consoles, mobile devices, and computers. To get started, open a web browser on your phone or computer, since this is the easiest method. Head over to the official Minecraft website by typing minecraft.net. Once the page loads, click on Accounts at the top, then choose the Redeem option from the menu. Enter your Minecraft gift card code in the provided field. If you're using a physical card, scratch off the back to reveal the code. Make sure you type the code exactly as shown and leave out any dashes or hyphens. After that, click Redeem to continue. You'll be redirected to a Microsoft sign-in page, where you should log in using the same Microsoft account you use for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Once signed in, confirm the redemption and the Minecoins will be added directly to your account. And that's all there is to it. Your Minecoins are now ready to use in the Minecraft marketplace. If this video helped you out, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.